For centuries, there was harmony. The Titans were the guardians of nature.
Breaking news. Truck containing dinosaurs heading to a black market has now crashed near the San Diego area. More updates soon.
This message has been authorized by the Department of Humboldt County. At 3:52 p.m. today, many bodies have been found in nearby forests. We do not know who the suspect is, but we do know that the suspect is heading south at this moment. We advise you to stay indoors, lock your doors, and stay calm. We will update you with more news. Thank you for your cooperation. The number of bodies are now increasing to 92. We do know how the creature looks like. It's a carnivorous dinosaur that is about 2.5 meters high, and the creature is very intelligent and fast. We now will show you a photo of the creature.
I just got Logan Paul and KSI's fried chicken flavored prime. Oh my gosh. There is no way.
A report has happened in the state of Arizona of another creature, which means there are multiple of them. If you are in these following states of California and Arizona, please evacuate. If you are unable to evacuate, please stay in your homes and hide. Thank you for your cooperation.
Hice este Wolverine Custom de Deadpool 3. Es una figura que tiene...
¡Conche tu madre! ¡Mamá huevo!
The creatures are now heading near the Mexico area. The U.S. government has sent out the military to stop the wild beast. We now have more images of these dinosaurs.